Excellent.
8 more.
So are we doing every time someone dies?
What?
What?
Shotties every time someone dies?
Oh no, we're gonna drink.
Oh, I know I know it's during, but
I'm already drunk.
Whenever
you're gonna be taking damage from chickens soon.
Pepper.
Mm.
Brought home from his last vacation. What?
I'm on the good old last neighbour's mess.
Some other kind of bud. Like you wouldn't be drinking.
Hey!
Stronger one.
Full too, but not much.
Into the stone I found.
Tiny cave here. 4 pieces of coal in it.
Ah dear.
I am, for some reason, this team. Really fun time.
Agreed. I just wish I could hear you guys all the time, because that would be nice.
Why can't you hear?
Are you doing?
Munch.
Who, what?
I've teamed with every before apart.
Well, I don't really. This is the first time I played. So I think.
Are you doing
This is the first
FaceTime?
time. Like,
What?
who?
What? Oh. What? It's like every 3 seconds. I'm sorry. I can't really do anything about it.
So. I guess we should. What do we do?
I'm getting food.
Oh, yeah, food.
Food.
I'm gonna go grab him. Make a sword. I should do that.
I should probably.
Even.
Any apples did we get?
I've got 2 on me now.
I got 0.
Decent.
I haven't gotten any.
Well, this is apple, so.
The tree that was like right near you and me, then it.
I stole
Don't
your
know.
apple.
You stole my.
I think we should
Bird,
move
bird.
up.
I almost called you bird.
Ouch.
I don't think it might be.
Compliment.
Dead piggy.
Come here. No, not you. Killing a pig. Yeah, I feel like we shouldn't be in these hills. Knowing how I am right now, I would not.
Oh, no.
Yeah. I can't even like.
They have
We're
to
like-
babysit Q.
Oh,
I mean-
that was.
Wonder how mobs are with me.
That's-
You're drinking straight.
Yep.
Oh,
It
vodka.
doesn't. It doesn't take much for me to get like to that point
Not
where I
even-
just can't. Really...
That's so bad. Right, where do you guys go? I find you.
Me and Q are
me
kind of
and
near
Munch
each
are
other
still
near
together.
the stream, heading away the way we were facing away.
Right, okay.
Oh God, I wish I had something
Oh,
to mix
there's
this
an
crap
apple.
with.
Do you have water?
You're stealing my apple?
Absolutely nothing. Nothing you have. You don't have anything.
I don't think so.
Lemonade,
I've got like
Kool-Aid.
yeah, I guess I could mix it with some cherry cola, but citrus and cherry cola would be kind of weird.
It's better than straight.
Hardcore,
Yeah.
man.
A lot better than
Probably.
straight.
Oh, horrible. All right, well let's
Okay,
find a
here's
place
Quake.
to.
Yeah, I'm here.
What are you looking for now? I got
Yeah.
some reeds already
Oh,
too.
over there in that forest seems better.
You think so? Okay.
Yeah, I see the forest.
It's better than here.
Oh yeah, I see you guys.
I see somebody up there. I think
Hello.
that's you. Yeah, coming down
That's
the hill.
probably Gilly.
And then
I'm just
Quake
gonna take
was
out
there's
all these
Quake.
trees.
Don't kill
Yep.
each other, guys.
Yeah.
Hey!
Yeah.
I got pork chops. He has a sword. I think we know who'd win.
I have pork chops and a
Quake.
sword.
Oh. Oh. The skill is there. gosh.
Damn it.
Oh, I didn't. I thought I just cut down the street.
That's what you get for thinking.
Oh.
Any chickens?
Nope.
Um,
Unfortunately.
I
I'm
haven't
gonna
heard
venture
any.
out a wee bit. See if I can find any.
Ooh, I found a cave with a creeper and a bunch of iron right here in the foresty area. See if I can take the creeper on without taking damage.
I don't
Best
see
of luck.
any apples that I've gotten from. Oh, there's another apple.
No, I see a munch.
Yeah. It's 2.
Hey, it's not bad. Oh my god, I just about fell down that hole. Oh,
Yeah, you gotta be
I seen
careful.
that
with
by-
oh gosh. Yeah,
Oh well.
I haven't played in 2 months. I haven't even touched this computer in a month and a half. So.
I played.
Oh.
Ah, crap, he got me for
Like-
half a heart.
Ah.
Class, I think. No, I played yesterday and I died to dips. But seeing as
Oh,
dips
this
is
is
not in
a
this
little
game.
crazy dangerous
think
here.
so.
Yeah, I saw that.
They're like holes to other caves down below.
That's not what we
I'm
want.
just.
Well, it's
I'm
not
gonna
too bad. It's like
collect
a
apples.
hole down.
Yeah.
It's an a-hole. Just one hole.
An a-hole.
Yeah.
There's a torch
I got,
here.
well,
No, not an a-hole. There is
Woo!
a hole.
Good job.
yay.
This is my iron.
I know, I was giving it to you. Watch that hole right
Alright,
there.
Thanks.
There's that hole right
Alright.
We're
there.
all on the same team, guys.
Oh yeah.
At least
Wait,
for the
are we
first
though?
night.
Are we?
For the
Are
first
we?
night
Oh boy.
until Mo's
Oh
on
god,
it.
this is like 1 block thick dirt right here.
I hope to God I be able to function.
Yeah.
I'll
Think
be
if
like,
we...
do the move. I'll end up doing.
What we should do is the one person that is the mole should pretend he's not the mole, and the 3 people that aren't the mole should pretend they are the mole.
If we agree to do that, we will all know what's going on.
Correct.
It'll be too easy to pick out the mole.
Correct, and then we decide, oh yeah, we don't all, none of us want to die, and then we all just stay as a team.
I think that there should be a mole season where the mole... too.
I like that. I like that.
There's like
Shit.
base mole team is like by themselves. Okay, I've made it down here to the next cave.
I wish you the best of luck. I'm not traversing those depths. No way.
Why not?
I haven't played in 2 months. I'm not about to jump down a giant hole in the middle of the
You
earth.
don't have to jump down. Coming down here. Hey zombie, will you be my friend? You want to be my friend?
I'll come and be your friend. Oh, no, never mind. I
I'm
found a
talking about the
cave.
zombie. You
I know,
don't-
I know!
I realized why Quake sounds so different than what I was.
Why
I
would...
was thinking you. For some reason, he doesn't sound like. And I thought you were learning.
Okay,
Oh.
you're
I
not
don't
the same
know.
person.
No, we aren't. But it's okay. You're learning.
That.
Oh.
Oh! Oh, thank you,
So
thank you.
funny.
I know, I try.
Are we using this cave or are we moving on?
I don't. A little
Let's
bit
do it,
big
man.
here, but
Yeah, why not?
there's a stairwell down, and I've got more iron, and I'm picking up a bunch of coal. And
Things are rolling.
so hey, award for this game already. I'm probably the first to take damage, aren't I? Maybe not.
Berg was right
Was
before you.
Okay. Well,
Oh,
that's good
Berg
then.
was before you?
As far as I know. Unless they happened at the same time. Because I hit tab right when you took damage and Berg had
You
already
need
taken
some
his
torches
5.
or something here?
Yeah. That would be
I think
nice.
I hear a skellies. Might not be. Might just be several skellies.
I'm used to playing with my monitor like right in front of me and it's kind of like tilted up, so it's weird for me, like the glare.
I need to drop down these things to cook up some food. Bam.
I kind of hope I'm the mole now.
Why?
Because the only reason Q's wanted me on the team was because she thought I was learning.
Oh.
No, that is not the reason. I knew who you were. I just thought you sounded like learning.
Okay, that's fine.
But you're still gonna get it.
Yeah, yeah. Oh! Help!
What was that?
It's a skelly. He's down there. I'm running. Munch, help me.
Didn't go that way.
Munch, help me.
Help you how?
Go kill him.
It's the best.
He's down there.
Where is this guy?
He's down there.
I need armor yet. Why would I go down there after a skeleton to help you?
Go help me.
Wow. That's
Well, I'm just saying, there's no
Not
armor.
cold fusion, just cold.
Zombie. Where's that zombie at? It's
Okay,
getting dark,
I have
guys. Where
4
is everybody?
apples.
Yeah, Munch and I
I
are
have
in the
one.
cave.
Yeah, I'm
I
kind
was
of below.
destroying trees. I have like
Is it
lungs.
dark yet?
It's the sun is setting.
I apologize for the scream, by the way.
Do we need to worry
That's
about
okay.
Mr.
It was
Skelly Poo?
hilarious. Okay,
Oh, he's
cave.
the thing that you're
Okay.
talking about, dude.
Oh, I see your guys' name tags.
Dang, Gilly, you're deep.
Oh, they're spawning.
I found a mine shaft!
Oh boy!
Woo! Yeah.
It's an in. He's gonna be my buddy now.
Hell yeah.
I went ahead. Up of the cave off.
The mouth? Which mouth? There's like.
The one
frickin'
I kept.
Come on, skeleton, move closer. Damn it. Stab you without you shooting me.
It's probably the skelly I
If
found.
it wants to, needs to be stabbed.
Stabbed.
Okay. Whatever staircase that somebody dug down.
It's probably mine.
Awesomeness.
No, it wasn't mine. Mine's like 3 blocks.
Wait.
Then you hit the mine shaft.
Like right next to me. Gilly.
Yep.
Gilly.
Hey.
That
Trying
could have been
to
dangerous.
save time. Right.
Yeah, I hear the skeleton.
Oh, what's
Bomb.
a big creeper?
I need my brightness up.
Wait for you to pick.
There we go. Oh, the mine shaft. See it now.
What?
That. Damn it.
At least we can get bows super
I didn't
easy now.
True.
Just seen
Oh
the
god,
arrow coming from
skeleton!
my head.
He's gone. I'm taking dead.
Don't die!
He's dead.
Good.
That's not too bad. Dude. Well, no,
Right. Hope he's not got
So
any
Gilly's.
fit.
I hear another.
I found a ravine with gold
Yeah,
in
yes.
That's good.
it. We can get which nobody here has yet because
Oh.
it's still mine.
I see a.
Correct.
Way somewhere.
Oh, got me.
Gold.
Gold!
Definitely.
Well, I'm here, I think. If anybody wants to drew, there's still an unlit that has gold
There
in
is
it.
so much badness.
I don't have an iron
Yeah,
pick
there
yet.
is. Oh. What, we don't even
Well, it's a
need
good thing. Iron then, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I see that skeleton. that we
I guess
heard.
I should make a pick first, just so I
Oh,
can get
there's
some
two.
gold.
Ah, I'm watching. Oh
Already?
no! No! I saw that happen. I feel so bad.
Bow from a skeleton.
Yeah.
Oh god. I don't want to die from a same skelly. I'm sorry, Qs.
Guess I should take another hit of my drink here then.
Yeah, right. I'll drink to that.
Sweet talk fairy to let you back in.
Gotten some soda.
Yeah, he did it with what's her name? Last season.
Sunny, yeah.
Yeah. Just you were lagging. Yeah. You. Oh. Sad.
No, I blocked. I don't know.
Oh.
Sad.
I'm gonna stay in the TS anyway.
Please do.
Yeah.
I'll get your stuff shortly.
Damn it.
Maybe they'll
Damn.
Oh
Yeah.
no.
Hopefully
sheep here. This is interesting.
If you want to, you can and see what he says.
I got all your stuff.
I thought I had 4. 4? Did you?
Did you have what?
I have 4 apples.
This.
I took damage.
Why is everybody taking all this damage?